What are the NCAA main accreditation steps? The first step, applying for institutional or program accreditation. The second step, verification of institutional or program eligibility for accreditation. And we talked about this, that every institute or program should prepare his eligibility documents to show the NCAA that it is the program or the university is ready for accreditation. The third step, the NCAA will form a review team and set up a date of the visit. The fourth step, the NCAA will conducting the site visit and preparing the review report. The fifth step, the NCAA will announce the accreditation decision. And the final step is the NCAA will periodically follow up the accredited institutions or programs. We will talk about these steps in detail. The first step, the institution applies or the program for obtaining institutional or program accreditation and signing the contract with the National Center for Academic Accreditation and Evaluation. Of course, for program or for institutional accreditation, the institute will be responsible for signing the contract. The second step, the institution sends the required documents for institutional or program eligibility for accreditation using a web link on the website, which are reviewed by the center's consultants, and a review report is sent to the institution. The third step, the NCAA completes the formation and approval of the final list of the panel of reviewers. The number of reviewers varies according to the size of the institution or program and number of branches. Then the center prepares and approves the visit schedule in coordination with the chair of the review panel and the institution or program. A meeting is held with the institutions or programs, college or department officials for preparation and ensuring the readiness of the institution or program for review visit. The fourth step, the site visit of the institution or program is conducted for a period of 4 days for institutional accreditation and 3 days for program accreditation. During the site visit, interviews are conducted with all institutions or programs, stakeholders, facilities, and equipment are visited, and extra documents are examined according to the specific schedule of the visit. The panel chair is fully responsible for the review process and refers to the accreditation consultant when needed. When the visit is over, the team chair submits the initial draft of the report, which will be edited by the center's consultant. Then the center sends a copy without the final accreditation recommendation to the institution or program to review the general information contained in the report and accept the recommendation. The fifth step, the final report is sent to the Accreditation Review Committee to verify the accuracy and consistency of the report with the reports of other accredited institutions and to recommend program or institutional accreditation. Next, the Accreditation Board approves the recommendations of the review panel and recommendations of the Accreditation Review Committee, and the accreditation status of the institution or program is then announced. The final stage or step in accreditation, the institution or program prepares an annual report on its status and the efforts that made by them to implement the recommendations contained in the accreditation report. Subsequently, the center's consultant study the report, make a visit to the institution or program if needed, prepare the follow-up report, and send it to the institution or program. And the most important thing here, as for the institutions or programs that obtained the conditional accreditation, they can apply to convert their accreditation into full accreditation after they have met the accreditation conditions mentioned in the review report, together with sending the necessary evidence and documents. The submitted report and documents are studied, and a visit is made to the institution or program to verify that it fulfills these conditions if needed. Then a review report is presented to the supervisory committee on accreditation processes to study it and recommend that accreditation be converted to full. Thank you for listening.